welcome to all of you. It's fantastic to see so many people here supporting this conference today.
British manufacturing is not only alive and well, but capable, cutting edge and confident.
There is an incredible infrastructure here for people to build their dreams upon.
The contributions of manufacturing, of all of you, to our economy cannot be understated.
It's been fantastic to see the hall packed with 800 people here.
I think EEF's pulled together a really interesting programme.
In a sort of post-Brexit world, we've really got to be seeing something quite radically different, something that really makes the UK stand out in the global economy.
I came to the conference today because I'm heavily involved with the EEF and we're always desperately trying to change things for the positive for UK manufacturers.